Quickly, if you have not updated your Omega, go and update your Omega because this new version is very sweet. Like it's very sweet. So I always tell people that do not think about withdrawing because of something. I was expecting something big and this is what I was expecting. So once you upgrade your Omega, you will see earning, airdrop, wallet, and KYC. So if you are not doing your KYC, you click here and fill their form. Say I've already done my KYC, fill their form. If you can't do it, check my old video on YouTube channel. I showed you how you can do your KYC very easy. Sorry for that. So airdrop, now click on airdrop, you see that they'll tell you that coming soon. So coming soon is just like what they're trying to do is just like this Satoshi where we mine core. So we mine core. After mining core now, we continue mining another project like OEX. You see like OEX. So that is what Omega is trying to do here. That's what Omega is trying to do here, and it will benefit us a lot. Like it will benefit us a lot. So if you're not mining Omega, sorry, you're really wasting time because soon I think the Omega will stop mining or they'll continue mining another airdrop like this. You get. So the sweet part is click on this earning. This earning now, see now in my balance, now available balance, I have 332 of Omega. So I can withdraw this Omega. I can withdraw it to my wallet, to my exchange, any wallet that I have. Is it Bitskip or Binance, Bitskip or Trust Wallet or Ethereum or MetaMask. But I don't want to withdraw it because I was expecting something like this because both core has something like this. So I was expecting something like this because this is the only way you can make your price of your coin go up, very up. You get. So now, even like now, I will be earning 90% of this, or 90% in 6 months of this my coin. That is very great. So what what you do here, you click here, you click there, you see now. So see my reward. God, Jesus Christ, very sweet. See my reward. See my reward. I'm receiving. I stake. I stake 336 and so I'm receiving 486. This is very sweet. So I click here agree, I click here confirm. So this is the date that I'll receive it. You see the date here, it's ending on this date. So I'm so happy of this idea. Like this idea is very great. Like this is the best idea so far. This is the best idea so far. But remember, core also have their own. Core also have their own. Like now I stake my core and I've earned up to like so far so good. I've earned up to like 2 core. You get. So it depends on the money that you stake. So guys, make sure that if you are not registered on you see now my balance have reduced. So if you are not registered on Omega, quickly go and register on Omega. And those of you that have registered on Omega and give up on mining, do not give up on mining because you can still earn a drop. You get. So do not joke with this app because something great is coming on. Thanks for listening.